Hi there, Adita Lang from aditalang.com. And so guess what? I moved. And you know when you move, you just kind of shove everything in the refrigerator? Look at my refrigerator. Do you see this? Okay. I basically just shoved everything in there. But here's the thing. This is the refrigerator that when I go to clients' houses and have to fix it up, this is what I'm seeing. Just exactly this kind of mess. So what I would like to show you is how I fix my refrigerator. And hopefully it'll give you some ideas to make life easy. Because here's what I want you to think about, a couple things. You want basically things at a grab and go distance. So if I'm gonna do like my snacks and that kind of stuff, they should be grab and go. If I'm gonna do things that, I don't know, they're baking goods and I don't really need them for now, I'm gonna put them away from me. Unless I have kids, because then I would put grab and go for my kids. So I've gotta set this refrigerator up so that I can easily get in, make an amazing meal, and not feel stressed out. Because right now, honestly, this stresses me out and I have no idea what I'm gonna cook. So I gotta fix this, right? So that's what we're gonna do. Got it? You ready? We're gonna do it now. So here we are. I went through it and I've organized it. And what I've done is I have everything laid out so that I can easily get to it. So these are meals that I have, kind of leftovers, I guess you say, or salad, or things I have. I have this for breakfast, my muesli for breakfast, right? So this is something that I use, like, I'm gonna use this every day and it'll clear out and go in. Down here we have snacks. I've got nuts and stuff so that we can easily just kind of grab and go. And maybe a couple of condiments that I would use for some foods. And then the stuff on the bottom is either I'm going to be using it later on or it's like extra that I just don't need. And then of course I've got my fruits and vegetables on the bottom. But now at least I can easily get into this refrigerator and figure out what I have. Before I had everything kind of squashed back. Oh, one more thing. At the very bottom down here, I used one of those plastic shoe boxes and I put in all of my baking type items in there, because that way it's pushed to the back and it's all together. That's important. I don't want to have stuff scattered. So all my little baking things, like my almond flour and arrowroot and what else is there, shredded coconut and all that kind of stuff, was scattered throughout my refrigerator. Now it's all in one little bin, right? And I don't use it that often, to be very honest. Anyways, right now I have a lot of water in here because my water filtration system hasn't been working, so that's why that's in here. But once this goes, then I have this area too to be adding things in. Voila! I can now move in and out of my refrigerator. And that's what I'd like to see and encourage you guys to do. Bye for now.